Stabby stab. I can't cut myself with this knife. It's duller than a butter knife. But it's good for opening packages. I may or may not have gotten a little carried away in the moment, and I ordered a statue, a figure of my favorite Gelfling from the Dark Crystal Age of Resistance. Oh yeah! So as you can see, spoiler alert, it's BREA. My smart, clever library BREA who never lets a question go, who takes notes and keeps a journal and makes connections and saves the world, kind of. I mean, she doesn't, because obviously most of the Gelfling die, but, you know, it's still a really good show, and I love BREA as a character. That's my girl BREA. I've never ordered anything from Weta before, and I'm really, really excited. Wow, okay, well, let's look at the box, because that's a pretty box. So it talks about BREA, designed by artists of film. Pretty cool. There she is. That's my girl. And a picture of the collectible statue. Yay! Okay. Ooh. All right. Okay. We got our separate base here. That's some genuine BREA right there. Oh yeah. Cool. Sculptor's signature. Very cool. Here she is, kids. That's my girl right there. That's my girl BREA. How gorgeous is she? Too bad she's not holding her journal, am I right? All us journal kids. Look at the detail. Look at that. I love her so much. I'm not going to cry or anything, but like, it's a near thing. I love her. I love her. I love her. I love her, love her, love her. And she goes into the little whoop-de-doo right there. And there she is. We have to heal the crystal. Ah! Don't worry, BREA. Jen's gonna fix it in the end. All right, kids, cool. That's just my super geek out. What you didn't see is footage of me dancing at the front door as the UPS guy approached the house. But I did. So, you know, I'm excited. I'm really excited. I'm so excited. Let's all be adults here. Okay, no, let's not be adults. I'm so excited about BREA. Yeah, I love her. I couldn't afford all of them. I couldn't justify buying all of them. So if I had to pick one, it's always going to be BREA, because BREA's my girl. Okay, that's all. Bye.